Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Lock out and tag the compressor, then confirm 0 volts at the supply. Once done, relieve all pressure and drain the tank so you can open covers without risk. Next, inspect visible components for obvious damage and gather the essential tools: a multimeter, leak detector, torque wrench, and rags, so you can move directly into diagnostics. This frontline work prevents surprises and lets you focus on how the system behaves under test. You'll now split your checks between electrical and mechanical systems. First, energize controls briefly. Verify contactor coil voltage, continuity through the starter circuit, and correct overload settings, because intermittent electrical faults mimic mechanical failures. Then run a short, observed start to listen for knocking, bearing rumble, or belt slip. Measure belt tension and shaft end play to quantify wear. Be systematic. Note oil level and filter condition, and document any abnormal readings so you can correlate them with symptoms later. Finish by confirming the compressor holds pressure and operates within spec. You should perform a leak check using a soap solution, then pressurize and hold for 10 to 15 minutes while monitoring pressure decay. If you found bad valves, seals, or an electrical component, replace and torque to spec, then run multiple start/stop cycles to ensure stability. Finally, log final tank pressure, motor amperage, and discharge temperature to create a baseline. If problems persist, try isolating subsystems to narrow the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.